Hi everyone, this is Peter McPhail with Lifestyle Properties of Maine. I am in Broadway Park in Bangor, Maine right now. This is a great spot to hang out. If you've got some kids, you want to bring them down to the playground here. If you have some friends that you want to play some frisbee or just have a cookout in the park, this is a great place to do it. Walking distance from the park here, we are going to be looking at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home that's a little over 1,000 square feet, and it's extremely affordable for this market. It's move-in ready, very well done. The price is $219,900. I envision somebody that possibly a first-time home buyer, this would be a very affordable option for them to have a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in Bangor. Great location. It is very close to St. Joseph's Hospital. But I also envision somebody, if they're looking to downsize, maybe they need all their living on one floor. There is a master bedroom, you have a bathroom and a laundry room all on the first floor. So we would take care of that option there as well. The upstairs is 2 bedrooms and another bathroom, so you could use that for company. Would also make a nice property for an investor that has some rental properties. This would be a super rental property where you're so close to St. Joseph's Hospital and you're really close to Eastern Maine Medical Center too. So it has a lot of possibilities, and like I said, it's move-in ready. Another neat thing about this house is there's some additional space there that you could potentially finish off into maybe an in-law apartment. If you need that, that's a potential option there too. But thanks for joining me today. Let's head over to the house and take a look. We've arrived here at the house, and the home has, for the most part, it's mostly, there's a vinyl type siding here. There are some wood clapboard siding on the back side of the house. And I am standing on the driveway side deck. So this is a great space to enjoy the outdoors. Put your barbecue grill out here, put some table and chairs. Plenty of space out here to entertain. It is the second week of December, guys, and I got to tell you, it is cold. Probably one of the coldest Decembers we had, and I know I'm going to repeat myself, but I think it's time for me to break out the long johns. Let's head inside where it's warmer and take a look around. In the entryway here, we have really nice ceramic tile flooring, and then there is the washer and dryer hookup right here as well, so that makes it extremely convenient. And then right off the entryway is the first floor bathroom. And then first floor bathroom also continues the ceramic tile flooring. Everything's been pretty well freshly painted. It's just, like I said, move-in ready. Very, very well done. Very well done home. Let's take a look in towards the spacious kitchen in here. I think you're going to enjoy that. There's lots of natural light in this kitchen. I consider this an eat-in kitchen. You've got plenty of space in here for a table. And again, the ceramic tile flooring carries through here. Everything's been like freshly painted. It's just very, very neat home. And then over here is the counter space. So the counter space area here has the ceramic tile top to it. We do have the electric stove here. Wood cabinets, has like an oak finish to it. And then you have your refrigerator here. There's plenty of outlets here for workspace. Another outlet on either side of the stove. Lots of outlets here in the kitchen as well for other appliances if you need to run anything. But nice flow to the floor plan. We're going to head on into the living room area. Here in the living room, one of the things that actually, two really neat features. This has a beautiful hardwood floor in here. Squeaky clean, so you're probably gonna hear my feet squeaking as I'm walking through. And then I also enjoy there's a built-in over here that you can put your books on. You can put some of your photos, and probably not large enough for a television, but there's wall space here. You can put your TV on. And then over here we do have a little area with some recessed lighting, some nice lighting there as well. So you got room for your furniture in here. But like I said, the hardwood floors are beautiful. And then going out this hallway here, we do have a beautiful glass door there. Just really vintage for the style of the house. Really makes it nice. So here's the hallway coming off the living room. And the woodwork is beautiful. I love this staircase here. We'll get a closer look at that for you. But this would be the Essex Street entrance. And then in here we have the first floor bedroom. So if you're one of the people that would need all your living space on one floor, that there is the option to do that here with this bedroom and the laundry room and the bathroom on the first floor, as I'd mentioned earlier. And the hardwood floors continue through here. Just really, really good condition. We'll head on upstairs and I'll show you the 2 bedrooms and the bath upstairs. This curvature of this staircase coming up, this handrail, just the quality of the craftsmanship in these older homes in Bangor. One of the things I really enjoy about some of these older homes is just the woodwork, the intricate newel posts that you'll see on these staircases. Just really, really craftsmanship that we don't see in the new construction. So as I was saying, upstairs here, we have the smaller of the 2 bedrooms right here. And the flooring in this bedroom, the smaller of the 2, the flooring here is like a laminate type flooring. And you do have a closet there. I'll take you guys over. It's got the old style wooden doors, four panel wooden doors, the old doorknobs, which is pretty cool. This is the larger of the 2 bedrooms up here, and this room gets all kinds of natural light. You have 2 windows on the Essex Street side, plenty of natural light. And as you can see, the laminate floor does continue on into this bedroom. All kinds of electrical outlets, and then we do have a small closet over here as well. Finishing the upstairs, we have a full bathroom. It does have a skylight, so again, you're getting, even though it's a bathroom, closed-in space, you're getting plenty of natural light. Nice and fresh in here, new paint, everything looks good. You got a small little linen closet there. And the flooring is like a vinyl plank flooring. Nice second-story bathroom. We're going to continue on. Well, I want to go show you guys the basement and also the additional storage space, potential finished off into an in-law apartment. Before we head down in the basement, there's a little storage shed here as well. And then here's the access door. Exterior access door is the only way to get into the basement. So we have poured concrete in this section, so obviously a newer section of the basement. Then we'll head down into the other section where the heating system. We have electric hot water tank here in the basement in really good condition. Here is the hot air heating system for the house. Again, like I said, the house comes with a 1-year home warranty. And then I'm going to show you the electrical panel. Here is the electrical panel, and it looks like it's all been upgraded. You can see the new wiring there. It's a 100 amp circuit breaker panel. So there's the entrance door into the main house. But here's the storage area. It's got the door right next to it. It's got a little bit of space here. I envision, you know, if you want to put in a workshop right in here, you could do that. Or if you just need additional storage. There's an upstairs space here too. You could potentially finish it off. Up here you could make a little studio area. Just finish this off. You'd have to draft some plans of how you would finish it, and you'd have to submit those plans to Code Enforcement Office in Bangor and have them take a look at it. But as you can see, there's a lot of potential for some additional space here. So let's recap what we looked at today. We have a home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath home on Essex Street in Bangor. The price is $219,900. Some beautiful hardwood floors in here, some of the old woodwork from yesteryear, the quality we don't see anymore. Nice ceramic tile flooring here. It's move-in ready. The house also comes with a 1-year warranty. That warranty covers most of your working components, like your heating system, your plumbing, your electric, your appliances. But give us a call or shoot us an email. We will get you the full details on that program. This has been Peter McPhail with Lifestyle Properties of Maine. Thanks again for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you guys again real soon.